Hi everybody, my name is Doug Beatty and this is my honors submission for the 2024 Nucamp Backend Bootcamp. My application is called Boomberg, and what this is, it's a Flask ORM that is serving, or backend, excuse me, that feeds into a Postgres server, and I've seeded that server with data from a website called Fangraphs that will tell us how valuable a Major League Baseball win is. It takes all the players, their contracts, the teams, their salaries, it aggregates everything, and then it pulls it into the database, which then I am serving this front end, basic front end so far, built in Vue. So let's take a look at the code and just show you it's essentially a CRUD application. In the future, I hope to be able to allow users to create accounts and build portfolios which they can stash and then track how much money or wins their players that they have selected have accrued over time. You can see it's Bloomberg, so it's essentially a hybrid between a financial and a sports app. It's like a meta fantasy app. At least that's the idea. So in my code here, I've also created a GitHub action that is a CI action that will compile the new, whenever code is pushed, it will compile a new Docker image and then push it out to my Docker Hub profile. Eventually, we'll use this image to then host on a cloud platform. I'm having a little bit of challenge getting the SQL Alchemy to feed into the database with the Docker image. So once I figure that out, I'll be able to have this live and in the cloud. Currently, this application is running in Docker Desktop. You can see I have 3 services here. Let me pull that up for you. This is the Postgres, and then I have a PG admin instance, and this is the Flask web instance on localhost 5000. That is the proof of concept. So hopefully this will be something that I can refine and build and develop into a full stack application. But for now, I've enjoyed the challenge of learning SQL, how to scrape a website for data, and how to bring that data back out and into a front end and be displayed. I can see the potential there, and hopefully this can continue on. And I appreciate the lessons and all the instructors that I had along the way. Thanks so much for taking the time to look at my app. Good luck with your coding.